Good morning, little buddy. Good morning. How are you? How are you? How's my buddy? Hey, how are you? Yeah. Yeah, he's a good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. Come. Can I? Okay, that's my boot to leave. Do you want a cookie? Do you want a cookie? Here. There's a cookie. Your favorite. Thank you. Oh, Lord, what is that? You got the Frisbee? Oh, that's breaking apart. Tighten. Cookie. 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 Good boy. Yoink. Mama's gotta go, bud. Okay? You're gonna miss your mom. You're gonna miss your mama. I gotta go. Okay? Okay. Why are you staring? Come. Come snuggle. Okay, there we go. Sorry. Didn't know the pillow was in the way. Are you hungry? Are you hungry? Okay. What are you barking about? Oh, Lord. What's in there that you see? What's in there? What do you see? There's nothing there, buddy. There's nothing. This is a hairball. No, it's not edible. Okay, there's nothing in there that you need. Is there something under here? Oh, your hand. What do you want in there? And why can't you grab it yourself? I know you like your fries. Fishies. You love that. And you want me to put treats in there? I can. You think Charlie's gonna fetch it for you? You can't play. You can't play with it. Shh, don't bark at Charlie. Good Lord. Charlie can't play with the ball. No, shh. You can't play with the ball. Go grab your ball. Go grab it. He can't play with it, honey. He can't play with it. Okay. Let me touch your toes with it. Come on. Good boy. Good boy.